Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're doing beard care in the car, in my car. So in this video I'm going to show you what type of products I have in the car, where they are and when I use them. So here beside me in my door is my beard brush, and this is probably the item that I use the most. Whenever I get out of the car, do my thing in town or meet people, I come back and give my beard brush a quick brush. I don't tend to use this mirror because I feel it's almost too close for me. I almost like to use this one because I can move it and adjust it and be able to see my beard as I brush it. So again, I brush down out an angle at the mouth and use my hand as well just to make sure everything is looking good. I might brush my beard on a journey 3 or 4 times. It feels good, and also I like to make sure that my beard is looking strong. Okay, so that's my beard brush. That's beside me in the door. To my left of me then I have some beard oil and I have some beard balm. Now if it is very windy, we'll go for the beard balm. So I'm out after doing my thing. It might be wet, it might be windy, my beard might come in all over the place. I quickly open the balm, take a little bit out. Again, I'm focused on my mirror in front here. Obviously the car is stopped, I'm not driving while I do this. Take a little bit of balm on my thumb, rub it on the palms of my hands, and again this is just a touch up, and you're rubbing from ears to chin. Once I do that, you know, with the balm, not only do you get a bit of styling, you also get a bit of scent as well. That's the peppermint and tea tree, so it kind of freshens you up as well. Just a little bit of balm, again, get your brush going as well and get that beard back to normal after perhaps a windy or wet day, and you're popping in and you're ready to meet the next person. If I am feeling good, or I'm feeling good about my beard, it doesn't need any shape, I might put a little bit of shine on it. So to do that, I'll grab my beard oil, and again just a small amount, just like the balm. So I'll take a little bit and put it on the palm of my hand, just a fraction, a couple of drops, bring it back, rub the palms of my hands together. And now we're aiming just to coat the hairs, outside of the hairs, just get a little bit of a shine. Especially if it's a sunny day, a little bit of oil on your beard makes it glisten nicely. Again, just very lightly put that on. And of course, to finish, you get a little bit of a brush going as well, spreading out that beard oil. So there are some beard care tips for the car. As always, make sure the brush is pretty close to you at all times. That's one of the main things I use. I'm going to use that, as like I said, 3 or 4 times a journey. If it's windy, get some balm on. That'll kind of keep that style nice and keep that shape nice. If you want a little bit of shine, add a few drops of beard oil. And if a little tip at the end, then when your hands are a little bit oily, just get a little wet wipe and rub them together and put the wet wipe down, and you can dispose of that when you're out of the car. So there are my tips. Keep everything close to you. Obviously do all this when the car is stopped, in between, you know, coming into the car. Do your bit of beard care and then head off feeling good, feeling confident. Beard is looking good, and you're ready for the next meeting or ready for your journey ahead. So there are my tips. Hope you enjoyed them. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. Have a great day or evening, and I'll see you in the next one.